All right, and staying with Delhi news and some relief for Chief Minister Atishi ahead of the elections. The court has dismissed a defamation plea that was brought against Atishi by a BJP leader. Remember, Atishi had claimed last year that she had been threatened with an ED arrest and asked to join the BJP after she had made these claims, sensational claims, during a press conference. Later, the BJP leader Praveen Shankar Kapoor had filed a case, a defamation case against Atishi. This was before she was chief minister, at the time when Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia were all in jail. Atishi had claimed that there was pressure on her and others as well, that she was approached by the BJP to either join the party or face arrest by the Enforcement Directorate within a month. Let's go across to NDTV's Ishika now for more. And Ishika, at the time, this was, a huge claim from Atishi, a very sensational claim. The BJP, of course, was outraged, and even this defamation case filed against Atishi, but now some relief from the court.
Well, yes, certainly, this is a relief that Atishi has now got from, in fact, from the Rouse Avenue court. In fact, the court has dismissed, the BJP's defamation plea against Atishi. Remember that the BJP had filed this after Atishi, the then minister at that time, in fact, had alleged of Operation Lotus here in the national capital. She in fact also said that she herself was told to join the BJP. She had also, in fact, named other senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party who were approached by the Bharatiya Janata Party to join the party. Now, only after that, the BJP had asked that she should, in fact, give evidence for the claim that she is making. Otherwise, they would be going to the court, and they went to the court. But certainly now, relief coming Atishi's way. The Rouse Avenue court has now dismissed this plea. We'll have to wait and watch how the BJP will be, in fact, taking this forward, because what we are getting to know that they might be approaching the High Court after this. Over to you.